Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I literally just woke up and I wanted to bring you top of the line news this morning. So this is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. I'm a part-time driver for Uber and Lyft, which in my opinion are two of the best companies in the world. I think Uber and Lyft literally is changing people's lives. It changed my life. It helped me, get out of some really horrible credit card debt. And basically now I'm documenting my journey as a driver. So today's video, guys, I am talking about Uber launched a new app to connect job seekers with gig work. Is my eye red? No, I don't know. It looked red for a second. So I'm gonna get into all of that. It's a huge new app that they're doing. And this does have big implications for drivers, and I will get into that in a second. But before I do, if you could do me one simple favor and just honestly just karate chop the like button. Hit that like button. Ding, 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 ding. Hit that like button, baby. And also subscribe so you don't miss another video on my channel. All right, guys, without further ado, let's look at this. This is what I do every morning. I go at Uber News and Uber new app. I heard about this. Look at all these headlines, guys. Headlines. I always look at headlines 20 minutes ago, hour ago, 3 minutes ago, 5 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. Everyone is covering this, so you guys need to. Let's look at NPR. You know what? Let's look at WSJ, Wall Street Journal. Oh, I hate how they have this, but let's just read the headline really quick. New Uber app pairs gig workers with employers. The launch comes as the company's core ride-hailing business is under immense financial and regulatory pressure. So if you guys don't know what's going on in California, a new law just passed called AB5, which aims to reclassify all gig workers as employees. And one of the backlash that they're getting is that Uber, they're basically saying that Uber needs to reclassify all the drivers as employees. And Uber said, "Oh no, drivers are not core to our business. They don't fall under that category." So this is actually interesting because Uber said, we have tons of different things. So they're actually in the midst of this. They're launching a new app. Basically, they're like kind of changing their business model. Well, maybe not changing, but like adding something to the business model, which strengthens their case that, yeah, Uber is not just a ride, it's not just a taxi platform, They have Uber Freight, they have Uber Eats, they have this new app, they have Uber Scuba Diving, Uber Helicopter, whatever. They have tons of different stuff, right? Self-driving cars, they got everything. So this new app, this new thing that they're doing strengthens their case in saying that, in my opinion, obviously I'm not a lawyer, but I think it strengthens their case saying that, drivers are not core to their business, which, whatever. I don't blame Uber for doing that. They don't want to classify all drivers as employees. They already said it wouldn't work with their business model, so, or it would be detrimental, to put it in quotes. Here we go, guys. For an increasing number of Americans, a patchwork of gig work is the norm, while others have become so-called independent workers because they take second jobs through digital platform like Uber or Etsy to make ends meet. But nearly all face the challenge of things as they become access to benefits. Uber Tech has launched an app aimed at pairing businesses with temp workers in an effort to bring in more revenue as the company struggles to turn a profit. Uber Works app, which just debuted in Chicago on Thursday. Oh, I was just in Chicago, guys. I love Chicago. It was so much fun. Took a couple Uber rides there. Some great drivers. But really quickly, guys, I just want to show you guys just exactly where I was. So let's see. There's like a station here somewhere. We got off the train here, I think, and then we walked and we ate pizza somewhere over here maybe. And then we walked all the way over here. And then we walked all the way down the beach. Guys, when I went to Chicago the other day, I walked 13 miles and we took the train. No Ubers. Well, I took an Uber to the airport. But other than that, we just took the train. Much nicer. You don't have to deal with all you crazy drivers out there. I'm just kidding. You know, I like to joke around with you guys. I just like to joke, you know. Okay. Anyways, back to this, guys. So obviously I can't read the full article, so let's open up npr.org/2019/10/03/7668. Do you guys know what all those numbers mean? If any of you guys work in technology and you guys know why there's so many numbers here, let me know. Uber launches an app to connect job workers. Yo, that's, what's his name? Dara Khosrowshahi. Uber CEO, oh, look, I was right. Dara Khosrowshahi speaks on Uber products launch in SF. Oh, I love SF. Guys, if you drive for Uber in SF, or if you're thinking about driving, let me know. I'll leave my link in the description if you want to sign up and get your referral. You can use my referral code. Okay, the company is launching Uber Works app in Chicago, aiming it to make easier for works to find temporary shifts. Uber can unzip you around town. Unzip your pants? No, Uber can zip you, sorry, I have dyslexia. Bring sushi to your door and ship your company's goods across the country. Now it will also connect gig workers with employers. Wait, when can you ship your company's goods across the country? Oh, Uber Freight. The company is also launching its Uber Works app Thursday in Shaw City in an effort to make it easier to find temporary work like bartending, warehouse work, and commercial cleaning, etc. Oh, is this an exclusive blog post? Exclusive news! Exclusive news, Uber blog, 21 hours ago in Shaw City. Here we go, guys. To date, millions of Americans use staffing agencies to find work, yet the staffing status quo is not ideal for workers or for businesses. Workers face rigid scheduling and opaque information about, what does opaque mean? Do you guys know? Hey Siri, what does opaque mean?
Not able to be seen through, not transparent.
An opaque thing or substance.
The remaining one.
Not able to be seen through or transparent. Thank you, Siri. We believe a new technology-first approach can provide faster and easier means for people to get work. So, guys, if you didn't know, so it's estimated, I believe, by 2020, next year, within a couple months, that 30% of Americans will be relying on gig work for ends meet, making ends meet, freelance work, you know, like not having a steady job that pays them enough, so they have to resort to other forms of income like Uber or Lyft or any other gig work, temp work. So the fact that Uber is like turning to this, I still don't so it's an Uber Works platform. So Uber Works app users can get detailed information about shifts or interested. So it sounds like you can sign up. Here it is. So this is the app. It looks like you sign up and you can sign up, you don't have to drive. You can do other work. You can, look at this. This guy's a pizza guy or dishwasher. He's a chair carrier. If you want to carry chairs or if you want to clean dishes, you know, maybe one day a week, you're like, you know what, I don't feel like driving, I'd rather wash dishes. You can do that, and you can get paid too. So here we go, guys. And this is business development and strategic partnerships. Finding opportunity through partnership. We believe Uber Works presents a real opportunity to help improve the quality and access of work. Blah, 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 blah. By working such as the YMCA Metropolitan Shaw City, we help to find support. UberWorks grew out of Uber's business incubator. Oh, nice. Leveraging. What is Uber's business incubator? Do they have a startup? Uber for Business? Whoa, I didn't even know they had this. Oh, this just launched. Whoa, it literally just launched and they already made, guys, this is breaking news. So Uber's business incubator, if you don't know what an incubator is, it's basically an accelerator. Basically means that they give you, it's like an incubator will give you like $10,000 or $50,000 or $100,000, whatever. Maybe 150. Just like, basically, just enough money to start your project or your business. Not enough to like fully fund it, but like enough to, you know, 100 grand, you can like at least start it and work on it and, you know, try to get the ball rolling. But Uber just launched an incubator, it looks like last week, and now they're already built. Uber Works came out of the business incubator, so within a week, I don't know, maybe they just weren't public about it, but yeah, this is pretty nuts. So no, Uber announced the Uber Incubator initiative open to both Uber employees and those outside the Uber organization to develop products and services on top of Uber's platform. Guys, should I join the Uber Incubator? You guys know I've been trying to create a camera, a dash cam for Uber and Lyft cars. I've been wanting to create a camera that records every single ride. That way passengers cannot leave false reports, and anytime passenger is mad or whatever, passenger complains or leaves you a false rating. And also mostly for safety reasons, because right now, you know, anything goes in Uber cars. And if you have a camera recording everything, first of all, it's gonna be a preventative measure for passengers and both drivers not to do anything funny inside the car because they know it's, the ride's being recorded. But also, you know, just in case anything does happen, you have video footage of it. I personally think it's crazy how there's not a camera in every single car. I think it's crazy that there's Uber and Lyft cars driving around, you know. My mom can go sign up and drive for Uber at 2 a.m. You think I want her to go drive Uber at 2 a.m.? No, but if there's a camera inside recording every ride, and I could like, I don't know, know that that ride's being recorded and video monitored, and maybe I could even watch the ride, like if they, I don't know, maybe there's like family access or something. I don't know, that's maybe I can pitch that to Uber Incubator. So this is the Uber Incubator. We're building Uber's next set of businesses by harnessing our entrepreneurial talent. And maybe they'll even be like, oh dude, you're the Rideshare Hub? Yeah, we watch your vids. Come on through. We'll give you 50K to work on it or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. All right guys, so let me know what you think about Uber Works. If you're in Chicago, let me know if you want to sign up. You know, I don't have a referral code for Uber Works, but you know, you can sign up and just let me know how it goes. And then yeah, if it comes to California, I'll definitely try it. Maybe I'll sign up for like some dishwashing shifts or you know, some pizza making shifts, because you know, I am pretty good at making pizza. So I feel like my skills could be valued at somewhere at like a pizza shop if through Uber Works. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Leave the video a huge, tremendous, ginormous ding 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 thumbs up. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Oh yeah, also subscribe if you want to. Guys, I'm gonna be coming out with some, I can't talk about it unfortunately, but subscribe because I'm gonna be making a huge video about new ways to make money as a driver or just as a, you know, a human being and you know, for money. So anyways, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.